Hey guys, welcome back to another Sunday video. Today we will be cooking. You guys said you want to see more cooking videos. Why not? If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Welcome back to everybody that's returning. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. We will be cooking today some lobster, garlic butter lobster tail, some green beans and mashed potato, of course. I really wanted something different, so let's just get into this and see how I make it. It was delicious. Alright guys, so as we get into preparing our lobster, make sure you wash your lobster with lemon, lime, vinegar, whatever you're gonna do. While we're prepping this and with the seasoning and everything, I really wanted to read today's verse from my book, God Hears Her. This is my 265 devotions or daily bread. And today's the 21st, so I will be adding this. This is real time, so I will be adding this in it. And it reads real faith, Hebrews 11 verse 6, also Hebrews 24 to 29. Let's read. It is impossible to please God without faith. Anyone who wants to come to him must believe that God exists and that he rewards those who sincerely seek him. Hebrews 11 verse 16. Let's go. This is what it reads. I attended a boarding school in Nigeria where older students ruled over all of us younger students. Once I misplaced a bowl belonging to a rather cranky older student. I received an ultimatum to find and return the bowl by the next morning. So I crawled into bed full of dread. I asked God for help before dropping into troubled sleep. Imagine my awe the next day when the bowl mysteriously showed up in the student drawer. The Israelites experienced far greater awe when God parted the Red Sea for them to walk through before he defeated Pharaoh's army with the same waters. This is Exodus 14 and 15 through to 28, and also Hebrews 11 verse 29. You guys can read it. Yet in a short while they were complaining about bitter water, which is also in Exodus 15 verse 24, and later they worship a golden calf instead of God, also in Hebrew 32 verse 4. True faith can be enhanced by mountaintop experiences, but the faith that pleases God is based on things that aren't visible. Hebrews 11 verse 1. Real faith help us to trust God no matter what. You hear that, guys? Real faith help us to trust God no matter what. And that's what we need to focus on right now. Today, this week, let's start having stronger faith, and let's just focus on the things that we need to focus on and put all trust and faith in God. I hope you guys enjoy that. I will have, this book is also my Amazon storefront. I do read 2 books. The last time I did it, I read Strength for Each Day, and it's also a devotional, you know, just to make every day greater, each day greater. And then this one is God Hears Her, so you guys can definitely check it out. I know that you guys are watching the video and everything, but we basically just using garlic and butter to cook the lobster, which is super easy to cook. That's very easy. Whatever seasoning you want to add on it, you can. I recommend adding a little bit of seafood. It kind of give it that jazz, but then you don't need a lot of seasoning as well. For my mashed potato, I made them from scratch, and I added heavy whipping cream, butter, salt to it. It is so good with that. Oh, creamy, nice. And then whatever is left in the butter that's left with the garlic, I saute the green beans as you guys are looking right now. Real easy, real simple. It's a really quick meal. I was not in the mood, to be honest, to cook or anything, so I was like, let me make something real simple. Now lobster is not cheap, because 4 is for like $33, and I had to buy 2 parcels. Check them, just, you understand. But Kushay and friend was also here, so I decided to, you know, make something so everybody could enjoy dinner. And it was like, it's the weekend, why not, you know, just something simple. Instead of rice, let's do some mashed potatoes. Real simple. The kids enjoy this as well, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I really want to get into posting. This is what I want to talk to you guys about. I feel like I want to start posting only once per week because I have so much that I want to tackle for this here, and I feel like I can do my Sunday resets in one video in a weekly vlog. So what do you guys think? And then I just start posting on Sundays. It is a recommendation for you guys. Also, I know some people get tired of me cleaning, cooking, hence why we started to cook now and all of that. So I know if I incorporate it in a weekly vlog, it will be better. And then, I mean, the Sunday reset get less views anyway. I know you guys like them, but my weekly vlog, they do way better than the Sunday reset. No, that's not really the problem for me. I'm just saying, just to kind of help you guys narrow down everything. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments. I want you guys to tell me because I'm like, should I do this? Should I do that? But it's up to you guys. So let me know. We can put it in one video and we get a long 2-hour video on Sundays for you guys to relax and watch. Or you know what, it's gonna be hard, to be honest. So I'll still think about it, but voice your opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. After I'm done, I have some clothes to fold. We will be doing that, and I'll leave you guys watching that part. So big up God. Always remember God is love as well. Stay safe and have faith for this week. Bye.